What's up, guys? All right, listen up. This is Mahalo. We're going to start with the chords. The first chord in Mahalo is a C. Now, a C is placed on the third fret. Your ring finger is placed on the first string of the third fret, and it sounds like this. So that's a C. The next chord we're going to play is a G. The G is played by placing your middle finger on the first string of the second fret. You take your index finger and you place it on the third string, also on the second fret. And then you take your middle finger, your ring finger, and place it on the second string of the third fret. So that is the fingering, and it sounds like this. The last chord, that's it, only 3 chords in this song, super fun, is an F. You play the F by placing your index finger on the second string of the first fret, and your middle finger goes on the fourth string, this top string, of the second fret. And it sounds like this. Now for you newbies, you have to push your fingers down fairly snugly. If you don't, it won't sound right. Instead of sounding like this, it might sound like this. Not quite right there. Just got to push a little bit harder. Not a big deal. Now, real quick about strumming. I failed to mention this in the basics video. There are a bunch of different ways to strum with this finger in your hand. The standard way is to strum with your index finger. So it just goes up and down. But that's not necessarily the rule. Most people will do it this way, but you can do it with your thumb. I will teach it with the index finger because that's typically the standard way of strumming on an ukulele. But there's lots of different ways. And then there's rolls, there's all sorts of stuff. But for the way I do it is with the index finger. Now, for some reason, you want to do it with your thumb, that's okay too. But I use the index finger. Now the strum pattern for this song, just let me play you the first verse or just the first couple of lines, stanzas really quick. Mahalo to the urchin, mahalo to the sea. So you'll feel that. Now I throw in a chunk here, but all I'm doing is this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's all I'm doing. Mahalo to the urchin, mahalo to the sea. It's just a very simple down, up, strum. You strum down with your finger, your index finger, and you strum up with your index finger. Very, very, very simple. This is actually called a standard strum. Down, up, down, up. So this works just fine. Mahalo to the urchin, mahalo to the sea. The last thing that I want to show you is I have to do a whole nother video on this, but I add a chunk to this. You'll hear this kind of sound when I'm playing. That just adds a little rhythm to it. And basically all I'm doing is I'm muting my strings with my palm and kind of doing a little rhythm, right? A little beat on the ukulele. And it's called a chunk. So the way I play it, you don't have to play it this way, but you'll hear me playing it this way with the chunk. Mahalo to the urchin, mahalo to the sea. But playing it just a down, up strum is fine. It's fine. Now I'm going to play the song through, and I'm going to edit the video, and hopefully I'll get the words up on here so you can see it and follow along with the chords. Okay? So I'll sing the song. Refer to the music that I have attached to in the Google Classroom. And you could print that out or just have it up on the screen as well or on another screen. So here we go. This is Mahalo. The intro, even though it's not on the music, is just the C, G, F, C. Here's the intro. And then I'll start singing. Mahalo to the urchin, mahalo to the sea, mahalo to the skies above, mahalo to you and me. Sing mahalo, mahalo, mahalo for everything. Mahalo, that means thank you. Mahalo, mahalo, mahalo. A little more intro. Mahalo for the air I breathe. Mahalo for my dad and my mom, my sisters and my brothers and my good friends. Mahalo for sharing my song. Let's stop. Sing mahalo, mahalo, mahalo for everything. Mahalo, that means thank you. Mahalo, mahalo, mahalo. Mahalo, that means thank you. Mahalo, mahalo, mahalo. It's a really fun song, fairly easy. Now, if that was a little fast for you, that's fine. Just play the chords over and over until you get a little bit better with it. Just watch this video, come back to it as much as you need and as much as you like. One little thing that you saw, I kind of did a little riff there where it says, for example, in the chorus it goes, mahalo, mahalo, sing mahalo, mahalo, mahalo for everything. And I go like this. All I'm doing is go strumming up, and when I come down, I'm muting the strings. It's just kind of a little riff that I like to do. You don't have to do it. You could just play everything and keep going on. The down, up is just fine. So I hope you like the song. It's pretty fun. Come play along with me every time. If you want, have the music in front of you. I hope you enjoy it. Talk to you guys later.